Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Saihan's World, and today we are gonna unbox a GoPro 11 Black Special Edition. And we need some accessories for this camera. Now let's start opening. Wow! This is the USB cable, and this is the helmet mount, and this is the mount screw, the battery for the GoPro, and mount clip, and finally we have the GoPro. Wow, look. Wow. Wow. Now let's start opening the other accessories. So first we'll start with the battery for the GoPro, and it's an extra battery. Now let's open it. And you also have a cable inside of this. And here is the box of the extra charger. Press here and open. Look. Oh, sorry. Look. And these are the extra batteries. Now let's start opening the selfie stick for the action camera. Here it is. And the selfie stick is also 90 centimeters tall. And now let's open it. Here is the box. And here is the selfie stick. Now we have the mobile mount inside of this box. And here is the mobile mount. Now let's see how long it is. Whoa, it's so big. And you can also use this as a tripod. Let me put this aside. Like this. And you can also use this mobile mount at the top. Like this. And also at the side. Wait, let me show you. First open this. And now like this. Here. Now let's put this aside. Now we have the screen protector for the camera lens and the display. And finally, now we have the media mode. Now let's open the box. Here is some instructions or paper. Wait, let me see what's inside. Here. These are the instructions. And this is the media pod. And this is the foam. And here it is, the media mode. Let me put this aside. And this is the screw. And the mount clip. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our videos. Bye.